Hello everyone and warm welcome to this session. As we have finished understanding of rectangular coordinate system in previous videos, now in this current video we are going to solve a problem based on to that understanding. So let us move on to the problem statement. So this is the simplest problem statement where we have the given data that I can show you. So the given data is vector a bar. As you see, the vector a bar is expressed as minus of ax cap minus twice ay cap minus 3 times az cap here, whereas another vector is also provided to us, that is b bar. Along with a bar and b bar, we have been provided the rectangular coordinates of point C. Here it is mentioned inside the parenthesis, and based on to this much of the given data, we have been asked to find out the value of AB bar is equal to what, mod of AB bar is equal to what, and then small a cap in the subscript AB is equal to what. So to look at these representations, here it is a vector that starts at point A, extends up to point B. The magnitude of the same vector is to be calculated in part B, and the unit vector directed from point A to point B is also to be determined. And lastly, we have to also answer what is the unit vector that is directed from point C to point A. So let us start solving this particular problem. Very first of all, a good practice is to first of all mention what is the given data. So I just repeat what we have. A bar is minus ax cap minus twice ay cap minus 3 times az cap, whereas the second vector b bar is equal to 3 times ax cap plus 3 times ay cap plus 3 times az cap. So small ax, ay, az are the unit vectors, whereas the accompanying numbers here, what you see, are the coefficients here. And point C is mentioned to be 1, 2, 3. So this implies to the vector representation of C as ax cap, as it will be 1 into ax cap added by 2 times ay cap further added by 3 times az cap. So this is what the given data. Now in part A, what is to be find out? So here we need to find out vector AB. Okay, so AB bar can be expressed as the vector B bar minus A bar. So what we can do here, we can put the vector B in the parenthesis, that is 3 times ax cap plus 3 times ay cap added by 3 times az cap, and we will subtract from this the vector A, that is minus ax cap minus 2 times ay cap minus 3 times az cap here. So by the next step, what we can do, we will take the coefficients of ax cap together, ay cap together and az cap together. So here we shall be writing within the parenthesis 3 added by 1, this is in multiplication to ax cap. Further we have 3 added by 2 in multiplication to ay cap, and finally this is added by the last term, that is 3 plus 3 times az cap here. Okay, so the outcome of this calculation will result into the required answer AB bar, that is equal to 4 times ax cap plus 5 times ay cap plus 6 times az cap. So this is what the required answer to part A. Now we shall move on to finding out the answer for part B here. So in the part B, as you see here, we require the magnitude of AB bar. Okay, so how to find out the magnitude? For determination of the magnitude of a vector, we have to take the help of square root, and the square root is taken for the summation of the squares of the coefficient values. So as the previous answer for part A, it was 4ax cap plus 5ay cap plus 6az cap. Here we shall write 4 square added by 5 square added by 6 square, and the resultant is to be taken inside square root here. So inside the square root, the 3 terms comes to 16 is the 4 square added by 25 is the 5 square added by 36 here. So this addition comes out to be 77, and when you take the square root of 77, the value is 8.7750. So we have find out the vector AB bar as solution to part A of the question. Now the magnitude of the same vector is the solution to part B here, and that magnitude is equal to 8.7750 here. So this is what the answer for part B. Now we shall move on to have solution for part C. In the part C, we require to determine a unit vector that is directed from point A to point B, and it is denoted like this. Okay, so any unit vector can be determined just by dividing the original vector for which it is showing the direction from its magnitude here. So I put in the numerator AB bar, whereas in the denominator I put magnitude of AB bar here. So the answers from the previous parts A and B, we can make the use to substitute for the corresponding numerator and denominator here. So the numerator, it will be 4 times ax cap added by 5 times ay cap, finally added by 6 times az cap, and this is all divided by, we have square root of 77. Either you use or you can make the use of the value 8.7750. Now here we have the coefficient 4, 5 and 6 here. All you need to get divided by square root of 77 as shown here. So the resultant by the next step, it will be 0.4558 times ax cap, which is added by 0.5698 ay cap, further added by 0.6838 az cap. This is what the required unit vector as a solution to part C here. You can also make outline to this representation what we have computed. I just make the outline here, and then we shall move on to finding a solution for the last part of this problem statement, that is part D. Now in the part D, we require a unit vector that is directed from point C to point A. So a vector that is directed from point C to point A can be denoted by CA bar. Okay. Now a unit vector we require, that is why we shall be writing small a cap, in the subscript we shall be writing CA bar. So this is what the required thing to be computed here. Now as we know that the unit vector can be determined by just dividing the original vector by its magnitude. So I just mention CA bar divided by mod of CA bar. So first of all, we need to compute what is CA bar. We also need to compute its magnitude. We need to put it in this particular formulation, and then the required answer we shall obtain. So first of all, we shall be computing CA bar. So CA bar can be obtained by subtracting the vector C from vector A. Always remember, the second letter is to be taken first of all, and the first letter what you have here is to be subtracted from the first vector representation. So C bar here I have mentioned here. Okay, now we shall be computing the things. So we will write A bar first of all. So what is A bar? You remember A bar is minus AX cap minus twice AY cap minus 3 times az cap, and the subtraction from this is for the vector c, where I write ax cap added by 2 times ay cap further added by 3 times az cap here. So this comes out to minus 2 times ax cap. As you make, this is minus 1 and this is again minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 becomes minus 2 here. Here we will be obtaining minus 4 times ay cap. Here it is minus 2 and here this minus sign will be applicable to this. This will also become minus 2, and this minus 3 it will be minus 6 az cap. So we have obtained the CA bar. So now the question what to put in the numerator is solved here. Now we need to compute its magnitude. So we shall move further, and as we know, the magnitude of any vector can be obtained by taking the square root for the summation of squares of its corresponding components. So I take a square root here, and inside there it is summation of minus 2 square, then minus 4 square, and lastly minus 6 square here. So here I go by the next step. Square root of minus 2 square, it will be equal to 4, plus minus 4 square, it will be 16, and 6 square minus 6 square, it will be equal to 36 here. Now inside square root, the addition comes out to be 56 here. Okay, now square root of 56 is nothing but 7.4833. If you calculate it onto the calci, it's okay. So we have the numerator as well as the denominator here. Now by the next step we can make the substitutions to the earlier equation for the unit vector that is required to be computed here. So this was CA bar divided by mod of CA bar. So here we have minus 2 times AX cap, minus 4 times AY cap, minus 6 times AZ cap, and this is all divided by square root of 56. Now every coefficient that you see in the numerator as sequentially minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 is to be divided by square root of 56. So this comes out to the value minus of 0.2673 AX cap minus 0.5345 AY cap, and the third term is minus 0.8018 AZ cap. So this is what the required unit vector which is directed from point C to point A that we have determined here. So here I just outline this particular answer here, and this way we are finished with the first problem based on to the understanding of rectangular, also called as Cartesian coordinate system. By the next lecture we shall have another problem based on to the same rectangular coordinate system for practice purpose. Thank you.